Hey guys, quick video for you. This is my new Avata drone, and I want to show you the GoPro mount that I've been working on. And starts out, this is a 3D carbon fiber printed part. This is a square plastic piece which is held on with double-sided sticky tape. And when you go to your GoPro, you actually can remove this piece with by taking out the 4 screws. And this piece has been sized so that you can sort of snap this on there. Actually helps if you snap it in the right direction, I suppose, unless you want to shoot backwards. So there it is, pointing forward. And then to hold it down, we have this sort of flap here. So there you can see the flap is held on. It's just a big rubber band. Kind of goes underneath the leg, up around through a hole right here, across the top, and then down back underneath the other leg. And this is it's about as strong as you're going to get. So it's just a prototype. I'm still working on it. Cut it on the top so you can still get to the button if you need to. Feel free to steal the idea. Thanks for watching.